Hello again, it's another repair and I have quite a few controllers to fix. So let's start with the first one. That's an Xbox controller, quite a nice color one, which supposedly has a bad joystick here. So a bad stick on this side. But to find out, let's plug it in and test it and we'll see after. Alright, let's bring the window in and now let's connect. Doesn't even have a battery in there, but we don't care. So Xbox One controller, let's press a button. Okay, and look, the stick is already all the way up, all the way down, remains down, and it's not a mechanical issue. So pretty much I think whatever is in there gets stuck in one side unless you press it. So anyway, the stick is quite dead, but if you see left and right, it's okay. Has a drift, but not extreme. I might not even touch that drift. Alright, let's see the other buttons. Yeah. Goes all the way from 0 to top. That's good. That's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Left, right, up, down. Yeah. This one. The button itself is. The clicker is. Of course, that one is dead. What else? This one. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the motors. Yeah, one. Yeah, the other one. We don't have that. Alright. So, this stick has an issue. The rest is working. So let's open it up first. And we'll take it from there. Alright, so let's take the back covers, these covers off, so we can get to the actual screws inside. I'll probably fast forward through this. And of course, they didn't put a normal screw in there. If you see it, check this out. You gotta love them. They put a security Torx. It has a pin in the middle, so you can not put your normal T in it. Now you have to have the one with the hole inside, but bad luck, we got the one with the hole. So we still can do it. Ha! I hate when they use that. That's done, so you cannot open it usually. Make it hard to open. Hence hard to repair. And the hidden one. It wants to stay there. Let him be. Let him stay there. take this rubber thingy off, and it's off, and we're in. And I care about this thing. Okay, if we look close to it, you can see. So that's the one that is broken because it's the up-down movement. And you see this is a normal one with 3 pins. So this is a variable resistor here. And let's see if we can tell how far off it is from the center. I'll use the cheap Aldi thingy. Yeah, let's use the cheap one. I don't care much. Have accuracy on this. So the whole thing is 24K and at a half. So as it's moving, it's moving the value, but it's moving erratically. See, this one half has 3.9 and the other half same, 3.9. 398, 397. So this is middle. If you look at this one, there's nothing there. Let's put in 1K, hold on, range. Let's see if you measure 4K now. They don't. One more. $398. 410. He moved a bit by pressing on it. And this one, nothing, and nothing. So actually, it's dead. Dead. This is over the whole thing. Now let's check if we can figure it out the other one on the same. So 4.3 here, 4.2 here, 4.1 if there is nothing touched, with 4.1 with nothing touched. So that's middle because each side it has the same value. And this should be the same, but it isn't. It's actually nothing there, nothing there. So it's just a random signal coming out of it. Random because the controller expects for something coming out of there. If it doesn't find anything, probably giving just noise. See, this one is balanced also. So this one is bad, clearly bad. The good part is I might have, so one moment to see if those are the same values as these ones. I mean, we're looking like 4K on the side, one side, and 2.5 overall. So let's see if what I have is the same as this thing. Alright, after digging in the pile of stuff, I found this. I didn't measure it, so hopefully we have the same resistance. Otherwise, I have to order the thing. And I don't like ordering because it takes time. Ah, that's 4. 4 and 4. Okay, okay. 4 and 4. And this is 4. Good candidate. This one. Now we need to make sure they didn't play a bad one and change this type of connection there. See if that fits with that one. So let's see if we can take it off as it is without taking the whole thing out. Okay, so there is no way to take it off without breaking it if you don't take the whole system down, the whole stick down. So to be on the safe side, we'll take it off completely. And after that, we'll try to see if we can stick the other ones so we can fix it today, right now. These are a bit thicker, but I mean, might be still okay if you say these are thinner. If they don't fit, in either way, I think we're gonna order one of these sticks on AliExpress, but that will take weeks to come. But meantime, we found a problem. We confirmed there is a problem. I mean, one more time. Check this out. I'm lifting it. Yeah. So I'm measuring this half. Yeah. Now the other half. Now it's a bit better. Now let's move it a bit. See? I move it, it's dead. And it's dead on the other side also. I might be able to still fix it, but it's a long shot. So we'll see which one is better. So now you're looking down. See? 395. And on the other side, 394. 93. So this half, it's okay. This half, it's okay, rather centered. When this one is dead, this one is dead. So this one, dead. Alright. So this will be a fast forward through. And this will take time. Probably half an hour to take it off nicely. Let's heat up. Let's use two things. I don't want to use the automatic solder sucker thingy because that hits a bit too much, in my opinion. So I'll use this one as much as I can, and after that the soldering wick, which probably I should order a bit more. I'm kind of running low on it, but I still have for this. Okay, we are ready here. Let's put some paste on to help with the so that's where we are with that one. Oh, it took quite a few. It's not looking bad at all, if you see. The upper side there I couldn't get to it, so that will be for the desoldering. So if you see what I'm talking about there, you need to be careful, because you have transistor or MOSFET there, which is tiny, and a tiny capacitor right there, which you don't want to mess up with. Yeah, you see the capacitor right there, and that's where the pin is. And if you see, the pin is moving, so that's the solder. This one might pose a problem, but I think it's quite alright now to try to take it out. Let's see if it's moving. Oh, that was a lucky one to go this nice. They're usually nasty to come out. Well, this was quite lucky. Ta-da! Here it is. Right. So let's see. Let's take something else now. I think it might be easier to test with this one. I really like this too. This is very handy. 5.7, 5.7. Nothing. And nothing. So this is the dead one. One more time. 5.7, 5.7. Why is this 5.7? Probably this one is 5.7 actually. Let's test it with the other one, because you've seen it saying 4 point something, but it was on the board, it was in circuit. So let's, just for to see the difference is because this wasn't desoldered. See? 5.6. So that's why it's the difference in between. They are actually the same, but this is more handy. So one more time. Yeah, I have it. Dead. Yeah. Dead. .8. 5.8. Now let's move a bit, yeah? Look at the reading. Yeah? I'm fully up. Now let's go down. See? 10 there, almost. Up. 1. Some in between. 4.5. I'm moving more, 3.5. So that's how it works. It varies the resistance because it moves that thing up and down. See? But on this side, this one is dead. Alright. Let's take it out. Okay, let's try disconnect this thing. Most of the time you just replace the whole thing. But because it takes time to have that one delivered. Oh, by the way. May that one fit the whole device? Don't think so. At least this one fits. It does fit. But it's a tiny bit bigger. Nah, I don't want to risk it on that board. I risk the board. Doesn't work. I better order one if I cannot change that. And that's what it is there. And that's what we got here. So see, it moves. This type I never tried to repair. Well, it's the first time for everything. First of all, so see, it has a tiny point here. This pointy thing goes on the carbon track there. And that's how it changes. Well, yeah, this one it's dead and buried. Let's try to light it up from behind. Yeah. So now you get why it's messing up. You see the track is supposed to be on. Look at the holes on the track. Yeah. So the carbon track is gone. Although I might give it another try because it's not moving too much. And I think it runs on the top track, not on the middle one. But it does a connection with the middle one, which is eaten up on the side. If you see, left side. Yeah, I think it's more eaten there rather than on the top track. And back there is not much we can do. See those small pins? Those two pins go on the middle track. Inner track, outer track. Yeah, and again. Outer track, not bad. Middle track, eaten up exactly where those pins are. Right. So no, this one is beyond logical repair, and yet again, even if you try something, it's still gonna drift a lot and will make a lot of problems. So this one is officially done and dusted. But that's how they are inside. So at least we've seen that. Now I'm going to desolder off camera another one of these and see if we can use on that pin, who knows, 50-50, but let's try. All right, let's try take this thing off. So already it's a different type of a pin. So I don't think we have a lock to put this thing in. Yeah, look at the pins. So no, clearly not. But let's open this one up just for fun. And see the difference. Let's clean it up for a tiny bit. So this one looks good. This is not eaten up. Let's put the flashlight on. You see? It's not eaten through. Neither the outer ring, neither the inner ring. But on the bad side for us, this doesn't fit the places here because the pins, the holes are not the same. So it's actually bigger. See? So there is no way to replace this one with this one. Even the middle is much bigger. So we have to order one of these. Once they arrive, I'll do a short video on how to put it on and we'll see if it works or not. Until then, we figure it out what's the problem with this one. And we figure it out what we need to do. And we've seen how it actually went bad. Yeah, because it's eaten up through the carbon on that one. If that one is eaten up through the carbon, this is not far behind. So this will go also soon. So that's why the best is to get another stick. Alright, I hope this showed something, and at least we've seen how to diagnose one of these sticks, and I hope it was entertaining. Alright, so see you in the next one, because I have quite a few controllers to fix.